Alright, a different target, guys. Got this one. I almost ordered it online too. But look, ordered that one. We got that coming. They got a lot of good stuff here. They got 2 of those. They got Pamela Voorhees, a couple. This one has different stuff. Alright, so we're back home. We got it. Very happy to see this. I was like, I was pretty shocked. I haven't been to that Target too for too long. I used to buy some of the NECA figures like what, 5-6 years ago. There, that one is not good. Downtown Minneapolis. So yeah, it's but they had a lot of good stuff though, man. And they had the original one before Pretty Woman. But I got that one coming tomorrow from Big Bad Toy Store, so stay tuned for that video. I almost wish I didn't order them, because then I could have got it there for cheaper, because it was $34.99 and Big Bad Toy Store was like $37. But I'm still very happy. I was surprised, because this is 2 on pre-order. So glad I got it. But there's the front of the box. So it's the 50-year anniversary. I almost did want to pick up the original one, just to have 2 of them, but yeah, I'm not that crazy. But yeah, look at this artwork. I absolutely love it. But the sad thing, it kind of shows the chainsaw with blood, which we do not get that. That's all these companies, man. But look at that. See, they show it with blood, which I don't know how they can do that, and then give you something different. But there he is. And we'll check down here too, so you guys can see he was sculpted by. There's the serial number. Alright, let's take him out. Alright, so there he is. Or she. We're not sure. So we'll go through some of the accessories here. So the first one's a plate of food, which does look pretty disturbing. Can anyone guess what kind of meat that is? Probably not animal. It looks like poop to me, but it's probably sausage. We'll see. We don't know. We don't know. But it looks pretty cool, man. A lot of detail. Then we got this thing. I think a lot of people say it can break easy. Which, yeah, this one looks really fragile. Which I won't be displaying on with this, so it doesn't matter too much. Then we get a set of hands. So that'll be a gripper. We'll probably have to use this one. We'll probably have to put both of them for the chainsaw. That'll be the right one. So there isn't too much detail in this one. It just looks like brown. But yeah, it is what it is. And then we got the hammer, which is definitely iconic focus. Before you got the woman's face on him. This one looks pretty good detail. This one looks pretty good. It was like, then we got the meat cleaver. I'd say it almost looks too clean. I don't know. Sometimes it's hard to tell because I just got some little lights on, but it looks a little clean, but I'm not going to use this anyway, so it doesn't matter too much. And then we got the chainsaw. As you can see, it has a lot of detail. Just wish there was blood on it. Take a look. So there is the problem with like every one of these, I guess. This part is supposed to be up here, which I believe my old one did from the original Texas Chainsaw Massacre. I got the first one a while ago, which is like smaller. Come on, focus, you stupid camera. Oh man, this camera irritates the shit out of me. Yeah, it looks really good. It's a little bit heavy too. It's definitely heavier than I would have thought. So that is good. And then we got the cute little armadillo, which I think was right away. It was like dead in the street. There's a lot of detail there. Soft tail. So I'll definitely use this to display. Probably, you know, upside down. Oh, it does. I wonder if they made it on purpose. Or it did there. We'll see if it does when I set it up. So the next thing we get, another jacket, which is kind of... I mean, it's cool they got it, but I would have rather probably had something else. I don't know what, but... I mean, I could say another freaking chainsaw, but we got this. I mean, it's cool. Focus. God damn. Fucking dumb camera. Oop. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna display them with this on, because it's just like, I don't know. What's the point? There's really no point for me. I'm not mad they included it, but for me, there's no point. But let's get to him. They, them, what? Okay. Let's take a look at his face here. Look at all that detail, man. Looks really good. And he definitely is bigger than the other one I got, so I'm excited to get the original one again. You know, like his original look, we'll say. But you know, it'd be cool. Like, I was kind of thought with the Michael Myers, like if they had, you know, a face sculpt, but then they had a real mask that you put over, which would, I guess, deteriorate, but I think that would be pretty cool, man. So it even look realer, but it does look really good. I can't lie. And definitely, you know, bigger than the other one. So we'll take a look down. There's his boots. But you got the little holes for the pegs. I wish they'd put a little dirt under there. Does it matter? No, but it'd be nice to make them look a little dirty. I don't care. I don't care too much, but I think it would be nice. So this is where he cut his leg with the chainsaw by accident. And I think he has his fly open, which I don't remember if that's in the movie. So he does have like a bracelet that does actually move. But yeah, we're gonna have to take these hands off to get the chainsaw in. But be careful, because I remember the other one broke I had. I forget what part, if it was the handle. I don't know. But I had to super glue it. That's the thing, if you break these, you just gotta super glue them. You know. Yeah, so pretty decent detail. And they look pretty good, but yeah. So we'll go through some articulation here. So this is one of the selling point. So that can move, so you can have it, you know, if you have the other jacket on, you can make it look, you know, like the wind's blowing. You get some torso movement here. I don't want to break them. You probably want them like that, you know, if look like the wind's blowing. Oh shit. So some of these you got to be careful. Oh man. Loosen her up. He is a bit old now. I don't know if the original actor passed. I don't know. Hopefully not, but yeah. And then it bends at the knees here. So both will be the same. And then I think the his jacket's going to hinder it a little bit, but it can still go up. Pretty tall. Pretty much 90 degrees. And I think there's just yeah. There's just a single joint at the elbow. So some people, you know, they want the double joint so you can do different poses or more posability. I don't care too much, but it would be nice to have. And the hands should go. They got a little thing there so the hands can actually go. Like that. So that's very nice. So obviously it's going to bend the same way here. And his head down, up. It probably does a 360, but I think his hair, yeah, it should do a 360, but his hair kind of gets in the way, but you can do it. Maybe we'll try to take a closer look here. Alright, let's get the chainsaw in his hand. So just a quick little thing. Be careful with that bracelet when you remove the hand so you don't fling it somewhere. Just a little tip. That's what she said. Alright, so there he is with the cleaver. So there he is with the hammer, which he probably didn't use when he had the mask, but I cannot remember. Alright, we finally got him with the chainsaw here. Took a little time because you don't want to break anything, but I think the best thing is to put his hands on the chainsaw itself and then pop the hands into the pegs, the peg holes. I think that's the best way. I don't know. Or you can heat it up because they are, you know, the hands are malleable, but you know, you don't want to break nothing. But there he is. And definitely I'll just leave him like this, how I want him, you know. Just got to be careful. But yeah, I'm excited to get the next one. We also got some more stuff coming, so stay tuned for that. But I think that's going to be it for this one. You know, stay tuned for some cool shots. And I appreciate you guys watching. If you guys got this, let me know how do you like it. I really like it so far. And he's definitely bigger than the rest. Bigger than the other one. So, alright guys. Twos.